Hey, it's Hunter here. Just got off the Blizzard Bodacious. Variable conditions, a little of everything, and this is a 5-star ski. It just crushes it. Skied it and everything. Skied it with its narrower brother at 8,800 foot back to back. If you're a Western-oriented skier and you're looking at up to 8 inches of fresh in your daily ski routine, this is definitely the one you want to go with. The edge hold was phenomenal. Never shook on me. Never chattered. Blown away by what the ski can do, and with the rocker in the tip and tail, you can slide it sideways and scrub speed without worrying about catching an edge. Just a great choice all around for your anywhere charger.